So he's making it through the doorway. Up, up. That's a pretty good little step for him. Up. So he's gonna keep walking. Well, I'll be damned. Usually he sits down right at the beginning. Sorry, my house is a mess. I'm trying to repair it. Look, he's looking at me. You usually make it to the carpet over there, which is over by that little couch there. And then I'll make it to the room. And that's Kaden barking. Okay, hold on. Let's... Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up! That's just a little bit of help, too. Like, I barely am touching his little thingy. Here he goes. Keep going. Come on. No. Hold on. Look how fast he is. See, he gets so excited about the carpet. He's like, yeah, bitches. So he's now on the carpet. Do a little shaky. So he's gonna sit. And there he chills for a minute. Now make him get up again and walk a little bit more. So, that's just him going outside to potty. So, did you see he made a little step thing? And he really tries hard on the stairs. So, this is just a little blub.